Mid-Missouri is currently under a weather alert day as we're going to be tracking some chances for severe weather throughout the evening hours. So really right now, the majority of Missouri is going to be in that 1 out of 5 threat level with a couple of our counties sneaking into that 2 out of 5. But really these storm chances have kind of shifted more to the northeast part of Missouri. So there is a bit of a chance that we could sneak out of these severe weather chances. Now, the main impacts are going to be those brief downpours, gusty winds, and isolated small hail with those more stronger hailstones and winds maybe tracking a bit more to the northeast. So that's going to be the main thing that we are tracking overnight. And this, again, is why we are in a weather alert day. Let's take a look at our future track right now. Those storms are going to be moving into mid-Missouri and really, I should say, northeast Missouri by about 7 or 8 o'clock. That's when those storms will start kind of moving from Iowa into Missouri. And then overnight, we are going to see these more consistent storm patterns start to kind of form, this more consistent system start to sweep through the area. That main storm line is going to start to form as we get into the later hours of the night. And then you can briefly see this cold front right here start to move through the area as well. Now, overnight, we are going to be seeing the weakening of those storm patterns as these storms kind of move from the northeast down more to the south. So as they keep on moving south and east, we are going to be seeing a bit of a weakening, and which is why we could honestly kind of sneak out of these severe chances. Now, again, the chances are still there, but it could happen. And again, you can see this cold front kind of moving through all of Missouri. And then as we get into Sunday, it's going to be really quiet and calm for Sunday morning. And then as we get into Sunday afternoon, it is going to get pretty windy. But again, it is going to be clear, and we will be out of this weather alert day. So here's your Skycast tomorrow, 90 degrees. So it is going to be a bit of a hot one. That isn't without the heat index. So it is going to feel a bit hotter. And then we're going to see those mostly sunny skies, windy, those northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with those gusts up to 30. So again, it is going to be a little bit windier. If you want to take a quick look at our wind gust tracker, again, already by getting into Sunday afternoon, these early afternoon hours, 20 miles per hour in Columbia, 22 in Mexico, 22 in Fulton as well. So it is going to be pretty windy and staying that way throughout the majority of for the majority of the day as those winds come in strong from the northwest. So that's going to be the main thing that we're tracking tomorrow. Again, that weather alert day in effect from today into early tomorrow morning. So that's going to be kind of what we are tracking over the next 12 to 24 hours. Again, for the rest of the week, though, we are going to be staying dry and warm until the back half of the week.